So this is
there it
the
is. Silky setting powder.
This is my favorite
no color.
product.
It has no color whatsoever. And it kind of hydrates the skin at the same time as mattifying it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead a little bit. So when you dip your brush in, Norma, thank you, Anne. When you dip your brush in, there's like excess powder.
Just tap it off into the pot.
Okay.
On the yeah. There you go. And or what I do sometimes is if there's a lot in the pot, then I just tip a little into the lid and work from the lid.
Oh, nice.
That's a good way of doing it. So then you can control how much you put on the brush.
Awesome. Okay.
Yes.
So where am I putting this?
So you're putting this all over, actually, just to fix it. Yes.
So pick a spot. I'm picking
a spot and just, there you go. And this just fixes all of the work that you've just done and sets the makeup and sets you up for the day, actually.
It always feels really nice inside your eye and then just take it down your nose. I get a really oily nose sometimes, so that's really, really nice. Darlene, I'm with you.
Yeah, it's great.
This is my favorite. This is my favorite, like top 3 favorite Sappho products, because it just, you know, again, not to harp on adult acne, but it's real. Especially right now with COVID and all of like the maskne that we get because of the harsh cottons or materials, polyesters, nylons that you use on masks, which is the reason why like a lot of people are starting to get like, you know, acne around here. This powder, I feel like gives like almost a 3D effect. Like it really puts it down, you know?
Yeah.
And I think it has a lot to do with the aloe in it that's really cooling.
Yeah, and it's not powdery. It's actually, like I said, it is aloe based, and Joanne will be able to explain more about what the ingredients are. That's good.
I mean,
perfect.
Flawless skin. Flawless.
Yeah.
This is the moment that Beyonce says, "I woke up like this," which nobody but her does.